go and X out the video. That was the smallest video ever. But right here is fine, and we're still with Ryan and Owen. I don't know if I introduced their names, but I totally introduced their.
Where's Owen? Owen and Nick are over there, right?
Yeah. And me and Ryan are just over here,
hanging out, chilling, chillaxing, just doing random weird stuff, like going this way too.
Where are we, guys? Uh-oh.
This is awesome!
I can show you something that.
And here, and over here we got Fredericton Fire Department and hot spots.
Really?
Yep.
Where are the fire trucks? This looks like a small fire station.
And now, somewhere around here,
Look at this.
maybe you're all fighting the fire.
What park are we in, guys?
Odell Park. Huh? Odell Park. I went here this winter to go sledding, and it was AWSOME.
Close,
which
yep.
spells awesome.
Hey guys, do you want to be on the YouTube video, Nick and Owen?
Hey, here's the fire truck.
Oh, this is the fire truck. What's going on, Owie? Hey Nick, we're still making the YouTube video, buddy.
I need to get to E.
What are you doing, Nick?
Then
Everyone watching this.
I'm playing the game called the
If you
Lost
didn't see one of Matt's
Adventure.
videos, which
So
I
I
watched
have to get up to.
he was playing Terraria.
I see.
Yeah. And he was way more. I didn't see that video, even though I was searching for it. But if you want to search for this video, just go to Matt and Nick.
Build it. And
But just go to
and then
just go to Matt and Nick.
and CK.
Okay. Just if you want to watch this video, go to YouTube and type in Matt and Nick.
All right, Nick, you get the last word, buddy.
Odell Park.
Nick, what do you think, pal?
Bye.
All right, everybody say goodbye.